Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba Kejela Conrad Sangma bakran shikila pathai kubor uloong Lynti ral kalong kebadan kambha hakaliang banwanra yang kayok kokot Henry uloong bawatla ke Sorkar kalakot ban penong de kejingalang ban ekran halol kani Henry kidon pat ki sing sang perthai ki bakentat bandon hakani komiti uloong bakita ki bakwa Thaw Komiti bentapat dalathong ya komiti kim Kwah bandan bentalang kumta uloong ba umtip ke e kejingmut jongki habak ya kran ya kani hapo yong dorbar kumta uloong banamar bagini kim Kwah banidan bentalang kumta ka Sorkar kan ya shakmat banakran merki sing sang perthai ki bawan uloong baga jingwan ka komiti kamdei bakin kirshano e ka jingwan ra lintiral hendai ka komiti ka dei nak benta ban phliu jingmut shu uloong baklam ka jingakran lang kumno anna ban penya shakmat kumta ulo kentu bakim dei ban bu e ka jingmut hendai ulo kentu e kinong yalam jogini ki sing sang perthai bakin wan ka komiti ban perkhat halor kani
very clear that from economic progress point of view, railways are important for us, whether it is Khasi Hills, Jente Hills or Garo Hills. So I'm very clear on my thought that it is important. We need it. But at the same time, I've been very clear that this is a sensitive matter. And obviously, there are multiple concerns that people have. Yes, our ministers have come forward and they have said that it should happen. But I am very clear on my procedure that we will take the community and the people along with us in our decision that we make. So even if it's Garo Hills or Khasi Hills, we will engage with the people, we will talk to them, we will try to convince them. If there are certain hurdles and concerns, we will try to overcome them and take the society as a whole forward in the decision, whatever decision we take, so that overall larger development comes in to the state of Meghalaya.
What happened to the committee?
So we had invited people to come, but we got a negative response from a few of the political parties. And so now we are wondering whether, the same people who had said that there should be a committee now today are saying that we don't want to be part of the committee. So I really don't know what the intention was, when they mentioned this in the House. But whatever the case may be, since certain political parties have disagreed to come, we will go ahead with whichever political parties are there. But as I said, coming to the committee meeting is not a support for the cause or saying that, look, we want railways. The committee is a platform to discuss. Now, if you don't want to discuss also, then how do we move forward? So I think there has to be some change in the mindset, some positivity. We are allowing that platform and discussion to happen. You don't want to take that platform also, so what can I say? So I urge different stakeholders that let's discuss, because I'm sure there can be ways which we can find to address the concerns that people have and yet have the development that we deserve. So what can we do to find a midway to be able to address the concerns and get development? That is the purpose of this committee. So I once again appeal, even to the press, that different political parties, they should engage with us. This is how democracy works. This is a democratic process and the government is providing that platform. We should come and discuss to take this discussion forward.
Sir, whether NF Railway has started survey work in South Garo Hills?
No, they have not, because of course Minister has spoken. Government of India Minister has asked me, if this project is not coming up in Khasi Hills, is there possibility in other parts? So I told him that I have discussed with Garo Hills representatives and Jente Hills representatives. They have shown some positive response based on their statements. But again, mentioned to them that we would still want to take the public at large and the organizations and civil society at large on board.